The recent COVID pandemic is compelling businesses to challenge and reimagine their operating model. It is providing fresh impetus to organizations to accelerate their digital transformation. Let's ask Mayank Chandla, our procurement and technology expert, what procurement would look like in 2030.
2030 would be a world dominated by augmented artificial intelligence, where human race would have achieved automation of most tasks and machines would be able to think and feel like humans. Evolution of technologies like blockchain, Internet of Things, 3D manufacturing, B2B APIs, and advanced analytics would make our world an intricate system of interconnected B2B and B2C ecosystems with full visibility of the entire value chains. This transparency would also remove any leverage between buyers and suppliers, and there would be no contract or sourcing negotiations. Contract would be B2B network generated, dynamic, and hyper-localized. Supplier risk would be fully absorbed in these interconnected and fully transparent B2B network ecosystems. There would be a perfect balance between supply and demand. Production would be optimal and supported by real-time distribution and consumption. Machines would self-diagnose and self-heal. In short, procurement would truly become a fully autonomous function, and many sub-processes would simply be notional or a digital conception.
Mayank, that sounds like a great vision for the future. How do organizations get there?
Let me start by answering this with a quote from an American fiction author, William Gibson, who wrote, "The future already exists, just unevenly distributed." All the technology I mentioned exists today. Its adoption scattered in parts by leading companies and industries across the world. In some cases, they are just mere concepts incubating in testing labs. For organizations to survive and thrive in this era of digital disruption, they need to go completely digital in all their operations. Being digital is a prerequisite to adopt emerging technologies like blockchain, IoT, and artificial intelligence to enable insight-driven end-to-end processes. There is an opportunity for organizations and governments to take a lead in their domain in adopting these emerging technologies and investing in evolving the B2B ecosystems and value chains around them. At the industry or the macro level, we are only going to be as strong as our weakest link. So it's imperative that the development touches all primary, secondary, and tertiary suppliers in these value chains. Also, there is a strong need to completely overhaul the physical infrastructure and transform the target operating model to support evolution of these technologies. For example, we need more IoT-enabled buildings and devices to extract full value out of the IoT technology.
Mary, as the procurement technology enablement lead in your organization, could you please expand on the people aspect of the procurement transformation?
Sure. Procurement transformation is incomplete without parallel amplification of the procurement talent in your organization. Procurement professionals need to understand the art of possible with the technology deployment and how this helps them do their core procurement task better and aid in faster decision making. These should help procurement organizations develop dynamic target operating models, drive greater innovation, performance, and outcome-based contract with their suppliers. Ultimately, as procurement becomes fully autonomous and embedded with augmented artificial intelligence, procurement professionals will have their invested IP in development and evolution of advanced procurement systems and ecosystems.
Thank you, Mayank and Mary, for these great insights. And thanks everyone for watching. Where do you think procurement is headed? Do comment and share your views below. Bye-bye.